we go for a walk somewhere? Annabelle, stop!
Do we flash cars as we go past?
How do you flap?
Gosh!
Oh, it counts wings.
Don't dust them.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna tie my hair up. Yeah. I'm gonna tie my hair up.
Annabelle. What are you guys doing?
I don't know, can we go down the park and take pictures?
I don't know if we can.